Good evening, buddies. Punarvas Jayakumar here. How are you doing? It's been quite some time since I saw you all. So, guys, a very important news. If you go to our ICI website and click on the placements tab, it automatically opens here. And there, you please check the latest news. Here, announcement for candidates in the campus, placement program. So if you click on that, my dear friends, you can see the registration for May 22 pass out candidates begins on 25th July and it will end on 30th July 22. So this clearly, indicates that our results will definitely come around 4 or 5 days before. So please expect the results of the CA final May 22 examinations on 20th July. Though there has been no official communication in this regard, we can infer from this particular dates here, unless they change the dates, but they have already announced it, which means you need to register. Obviously, only when you clear, you can register for this, right? So results will be around 20th July 2022. It's going to come very, very soon, my dear friends. So on that note, those of you who are obviously, once you clear, some inputs from my side as to how those who clear, what you can do to ensure that you get a good, placement opportunity in this particular placement program by the institute. So first and foremost, my dear friends, prepare an amazing kick-ass resume, right? So do not just copy paste some random stuff you find online. Please spend some time. Things have gotten very creative now. People are using many softwares to do this. At best, it should be one page, maximum 2 sheets. Right, it should be, everything should be there in one particular thing, and use some designing tools rather than boring mundane stuff, and never insert any Word document. It should be obviously PDF, but use some designs. There are many softwares like InDesign, Photoshop, where you can actually create an amazing resume, because first impression is the best impression. So kindly prepare an appropriate resume. Please go through, there are many things that you can check online, and let it not be mundane. So point number 2, most important as far as the technical knowledge is concerned, please brush up your Ind AS. Those of you who are slightly confident of clearing, or even whatever the reason maybe, if you're free now, please brush up your Ind AS, your GST, your standards on auditing, your accounting, other accounting standards, and the areas which you have worked on during articleship, because these questions will definitely come. I've been talking to many people who are, some of my friends are HR recruiters. So these are the things that I would obviously look at. Then once your resume is shortlisted by multiple companies, let's say you have done really a good job in preparing a good resume, so, and of course they are impressed by your skill set, then you will get to choose around 4 companies, right, for which you need to give an interview. This is very, very important, where you need to choose those 4 companies. Have a clear mindset as to what you want to do, whether you want to join industry, whether you want to join Big Four. Some of my students choose like 2 companies from the industry and 2 Big Four, so that they'll have that proper balance. Then there are some industries and some companies like ITC, which really pay extremely high salaries, but you also need to ensure that you have that required skill set. And I think my sense is around 5 to 6 rounds of interviews, so it's going to be a lot of hard work to get into those companies. Obviously, prepare well for group discussions. There will be definitely a session on group discussion where you'll have to sit across the table. They'll throw a topic at you. So guys, this is where a CA, not just the bookish knowledge, but you should also have little worldly knowledge. So kindly update yourself in the next coming 20 days. Kindly update yourself on current affairs. Brush up your communication skills as well. It's of utmost importance, my dear friends. So these are 4 or 5 tips that I want to give you. So wish you all the very best for the examinations, and I'm sure, and for the results I'm sure that you guys are going to do really well. Those of them who can clear, congratulations, and also all the best for the next, your resume writing, and also for the campus placements. And those who cannot clear, it's okay, no problem. You can of course write the next attempt with and come back really strong. This is what I wanted to tell. This is my inference from whatever I saw here. All the very best, guys. Take care. Love you all. Cheers. I'm a little bit under the weather, so forgive my voice. All right. Thank you so much. Take care. Cheers, guys.